Have you ever stopped to think about the quiet power at your fingertips? Literally, your nails, those small shields we often take for granted, are stronger and more resilient than you think. Every single day they endure constant pressure, typing, tapping, scrubbing, and yet they keep going. But here's the real question. What if you could unlock their full strength? What if healthy, unbreakable nails weren't just about good genes, but about the right care, the right habits, and a little science? In this video, we're diving deep into the secrets of strong, beautiful nails. Because taking care of your nails isn't just about looks, it's a powerful act of self-care. Let's begin this journey toward resilience, strength, and confidence, right from the tips of your fingers. Are you ready? Let's go. Just like the diverse ecosystems we find in nature, our bodies thrive on a rich variety of nutrients. Each nutrient plays a unique role in maintaining our overall health, including the health of our nails. A balanced diet is essential for nail growth and strength. Our nails are made of keratin, a protein that requires a variety of nutrients to form properly. Keratin, the protein forming the building blocks of our nails, relies on a balanced diet. Without the right nutrients, our nails can become weak and brittle. Protein-rich foods like eggs and lean meats provide the essential amino acids for keratin production. These amino acids are the building blocks that our bodies use to create strong, healthy nails. Biotin, a B vitamin, plays a crucial role in nail health. It supports the production of keratin and helps maintain the integrity of our nails. Found in foods like almonds and sweet potatoes, biotin deficiency can lead to brittle nails. Including these foods in your diet can help ensure your nails remain strong and healthy. Adequate hydration is also vital, as water helps transport nutrients to nail cells, promoting their growth and strength. Drinking enough water daily ensures that your nails receive the nutrients they need to stay healthy and grow. While internal factors like nutrition are crucial, external threats can undermine nail strength. Prolonged exposure to water, especially hot water, can dehydrate nails, making them brittle. Harsh chemicals found in cleaning products can also weaken nails. Wearing gloves during chores provides a protective barrier. Overexposure to sunlight can dry out nails, just as it does with our skin. Applying a moisturizer with SPF to hands and nails can help prevent this. Be gentle with your nails. Avoid using them as tools to open things, which can cause breakage. Maintaining strong, healthy nails is a continuous journey, akin to the ever-changing seasons of nature. Just as the seasons change, so do the needs of our nails. They require different types of care and attention depending on various factors such as weather, diet, and lifestyle. Understanding these needs is the first step in ensuring that our nails remain in optimal condition throughout the year. By understanding the factors that contribute to nail strength and those that lead to weakness, we can take proactive steps to protect them. Factors such as exposure to harsh chemicals, frequent use of nail polish, and even stress can significantly impact nail health. Being aware of these elements allows us to make informed choices about how we treat our nails. Just as we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods, we must also nourish our nails with proper care. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for maintaining nail strength. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, and fish provide the necessary nutrients that promote healthy nail growth. Additionally, regular hydration is crucial for keeping nails flexible and less prone to breaking. Using quality hand creams and nail strengtheners can provide an extra layer of protection. These products help to lock in moisture and reinforce the nail structure, making them more resilient against daily wear and tear. It's important to choose products that are free from harmful chemicals and are designed to nourish and protect. By incorporating these practices into our daily routines, we can ensure our nails remain resilient and healthy for years to come. Consistency is key. Regular care and attention will lead to noticeable improvements in nail health. Over time, these small daily actions will contribute to the overall strength and beauty of our nails, making them a true reflection of our commitment to self-care. Click the link in the video description and you'll find several essential personal care products that will help you stay comfortable and fresh all the time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more self-care tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.